this dip is quite popular in the Middle East, but I'm taking it and making it a different twist to add a little bit more depth, acidity, saltiness to it. And I think it's going to taste fantastic with any veggies or anything that you decide to put in your api board. I hope you enjoy it. Hello, I'm Laura Spencer. Welcome, and you're watching Nature's Fair Salmon Cooking Series. One of the first steps for this is to roast your peppers. I have my barbecue at the highest set, and once that this is done, we're going to take everything and we're going to go and make our pepper dip. So we're going to put 5 garlic cloves, and you don't have to peel them, they're gonna go into the barbecue as they are. These peppers are ready. Look at the charcoal all around them. They're perfect, they're nice. I can feel that they're nice. So I'm gonna transfer them to a bowl. A lot of people like to cover the bowl with a plastic film, but I actually find that just even placing a plate on top of the bowl, it does the job just the same. The whole idea is that to create a steam bath, so it's easy to peel these peppers off. Okay, so everything is ready. Our peppers have been steaming for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to peel the roasted garlic because I want to show you how easy this is. Look at that, that just comes out so nicely, and the aroma. So now that the garlic is done, I'm going to peel the peppers. So there is a little bit of water at the bottom, that's okay. First, I like to start with the stem, just to rip it off like that. And then I slowly peel this off like this. Look how easily this is coming. Look at that, that's perfect. And what I do now is that I just gently open the top of here, gently remove all of the seeds off, and that's it. Okay, so we're done the peppers. We have peeled the garlic, so there you go, peppers, 2 peppers, 5 cloves of garlic. We're gonna use 1 cup of walnuts, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, half of a lemon, just the juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then let the machine do its job. We can add our salt, and this is up to you. I'm gonna be adding about 1 teaspoon or so of salt. And we blend again, just to incorporate. Oh my God. And there you have it. This so easy to make dip. Let's plate it and let's make it shine in the api board. So one of the things that I like to do when I'm creating my api board, and most of us use olives for this, is to wake our olives up. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, I put my olives in a glass container whenever I buy them from the store. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to warm them up just to bring the flavors back to life again. Half of a teaspoon or so of olive oil, just like that. I am also going to add a few drops of lemon. Just gently toss them. And this is going to make your olives taste just delicious. Okay, now let's make this dip shine. It's still warm. You can feel the nose of roasted peppers, roasted garlic, but it's super subtle. And it has such a good consistency, it's very smooth. It's a great dip. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you make it in your kitchen.